What if this Holy Week could be different? What if, this year, you didn't just go through the motions, but truly walked with Christ to Calvary and into the joy of Easter? With just a little preparation, your heart can be ready to receive the graces God has waiting for you. Let's talk about how. Holy Week is not just another part of the church calendar. It's the summit. It's where we enter into the very heart of our faith, the passion, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. The best place to start preparing is with an honest look at our own hearts. Ask yourself, have I allowed Lent to change me? Is there unconfessed sin that I'm still holding on to? Am I ready to surrender more deeply to Jesus? Set aside time for a personal examination of conscience. If it's been a while since your last confession, this is the perfect moment to return to the sacrament of reconciliation. Don't carry your burdens into Holy Week. Lay them down. Next, make a plan. Holy Week is packed with liturgies and opportunities for grace, but they can pass us by if we don't prepare. Here are some essentials to mark on your calendar. Palm Sunday Mass, to begin the journey. Holy Thursday, the Mass of the Lord's Supper and the call to serve. Good Friday, the Passion and Veneration of the Cross. Holy Saturday, Easter Vigil, the most sacred liturgy of the entire year. Also, consider smaller devotions like the Stations of the Cross. Pray the sorrowful mysteries every day. Observe a holy hour in silence. Perform acts of charity and forgiveness. Make a spiritual game plan. Don't just fit Holy Week into your schedule. Let your schedule revolve around it. We live in a world full of noise, and sometimes the best way to prepare for something holy is to be quiet. This week before Holy Week, try to cut back on distractions. Less social media, less noise, more stillness. Create a space in your home that feels sacred. A little prayer corner, a candle, an image of Christ crucified. Use that space daily to reflect and pray. You might be surprised how deeply God speaks when we stop filling every moment with sound. Holy Week isn't just about remembering what Jesus went through. It's about joining Him in it. If you're suffering, physically, emotionally, spiritually, this is the moment to bring that suffering to the foot of the cross. Say, Jesus, I offer this with you. Don't let my suffering be wasted. Use it for something holy. St. Paul says, I have been crucified with Christ, and it is no longer I who live, but Christ who lives in me. Let this be the week where Christ truly lives in you. One of the most beautiful ways to prepare for Holy Week is to walk through it with Our Lady. No one followed Jesus more closely in His passion than Mary. Pray a rosary with her, especially the sorrowful mysteries. Reflect on her sorrow at the foot of the cross. Ask her to help you stay close to Jesus, even when it gets difficult or uncomfortable. Mary won't let you go through Holy Week alone. This week before Holy Week is a sacred pause, a time to realign your heart, to repent, and to recommit. God has so much grace waiting for you, but we have to show up. We have to prepare our hearts. And the good news, it's not too late. Whether your Lent has gone well or not, you can begin again right now. If this video blessed you, please consider liking it and sharing it with a friend who may need this encouragement before Holy Week. Don't forget to subscribe to Catholic Contemplations for more prayerful content like this, and leave a comment below. How are you preparing your heart for Holy Week this year? I'd love to hear from you. Let's walk with Jesus together. I'm praying for you. May God bless you and Our Lady keep you.